Hello, namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Bengaluru witnessed tense scenes near Kempegowda International Airport as hundreds of taxi drivers protested against the newly introduced parking and pickup policy. The demonstration turned volatile near the Sadahalli toll plaza, promoting police to resort to a mild lathi charge to restore order. While drivers allege the policy favors app-based aggregators and threatens their livelihood. Airport operators BIAL insists the changes are essential for safety and better passenger experience. Hundreds of taxi drivers staged a protest on Tuesday morning near the Sadahalli toll plaza on the Bengaluru-Hyderabad National Highway. The drivers were demanding a rollback of the new parking and pickup rules introduced at Kempegowda International Airport, commonly known as KIA. The protesters, many of whom are independent and traditional taxi operators, claim that the policy is skewed and unduly favors app-based fleet operators. According to Drivers Union, nearly 30,000 to 31,000 taxi drivers who depend on airport rides for their income will be affected. The protest briefly turned tense when a session of demonstrators attempted to disrupt traffic on the highway and damaged a few vehicles. Police said the operators had not taken prior permission for the demonstration. A mild lathi charge was used to disperse the crowd. Around 150 taxi drivers were taken into preventive custody and later released. Taxi drivers allege that under the new rules, they are being forced to pick up passengers from designated parking zones such as P3 and P4, which are located nearly 1 kilometer away from the arrival terminal. Ramesh H., honorary president of the Bruhat Bengaluru Taxi Drivers Union, said the rules were framed to benefit app-based aggregators at the cost of conventional taxi operators. He added that passengers, especially those traveling with luggage, children, elderly family members or with mobility issues, are finding it difficult to reach the pickup zones. Drivers also complain that they are frequently charged a penalty of ₹100 while exiting the airport, as the traffic layout makes it nearly impossible to complete boarding within the stipulated time. Another driver, Ramesh Gowda from Yelahanka, said that earlier a single airport trip would cover fuel and toll costs. Now, after paying toll charges, waiting fees and parking penalties at P3 and P4, drivers are returning with losses. Many drivers fear that traditional operators are being slowly pushed out of the airport ecosystem. Defending the policy, Bengaluru International Airport Limited BIAL said the changes were necessary to bring discipline, improve traffic flow and ensure passenger safety. A BIAL spokesperson stated that nearly 95% of passengers are comfortable with the new system and that it follows practices adopted at major global airports. BIAL cited repeated complaints over the years, including from solo women travelers, about unauthorized taxi operators coercing passengers, overcharging them mid-journey or abandoning them if demands were not met. According to the airport operator, these issues posed serious safety risks. The spokesperson said that strengthening a regulated and authorized taxi ecosystem is critical and added that a 300 to 500 meter walk is a safer alternative compared to unsafe travel practices. While ruling out an immediate rollback, BIAL acknowledged that some genuine issues have been identified. The airport authority said it is continuously monitoring the situation and will make necessary tweaks over the next 1 to 2 months, with passenger experience and safety remaining the top priority. As tensions continue between taxi drivers and airport authorities, the coming weeks will be crucial in determining whether the new policy can balance passenger safety with the livelihoods of thousands of drivers who have served the airport for decades.